Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to get accepted for financing in your Whop store so you can unlock cash fast based on your sales and grow your digital business, whether it's for inventory, marketing, or hiring help. First off, make sure your Whop store is linked to a U.S. bank account. Whop's built-in financing with providers like Pipe only works if you have a verified U.S. bank connection. Next, build consistent monthly revenue. The more stable and predictable your income, the better your chances of getting approved. Aim for at least 1,000 plus in monthly sales. Here's a pro tip. Keep your account in good standing and avoid chargebacks, disputes, or sudden drops in sales. Lenders look at your payment history before approving financing. Now, go to your Whop dashboard, then click Monetization, go Financing, and connect your bank account if you haven't already. Then click Apply and let Whop's partner lenders review your data. If approved, you'll see an offer with terms like how much you can borrow and repayment rates. Accept the deal, and the money lands in your account fast. So should you feel stuck without financing? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, build your sales, and start unlocking funds to scale. Let me know in the comments if you've gotten financing through Whop and how much you received. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.